So you want to get ahead right out of welding school? Well, I'm not a financial advisor, but stay tuned for the top 3 things that I think are going to get you ahead when it comes to your bank account. Okay, so when you get that first paycheck, you got to be really cautious because there's a lot of people out here that are going to want you to blow your money on toys and different things that aren't really important. One of the first things that I'm going to recommend, number 1, pay off any student debt that you have. Welding schools are expensive, so pay off that loan and get that taken care of. You don't want to be enslaved to some kind of a debt. Number 2, invest in a nest egg. What if you break your arm? What if something happens financially? What if your truck breaks down and you can't get to a job? You need to have a good nest egg because your truck payment's going to keep coming, your phone bill's going to keep coming, your insurance is going to keep coming. So you've got to have a substantial amount of money so that if you're not working for a month or 2, you still can be able to pay your bills. And number 3, invest in your future. Your 60-year-old self is going to thank your 18-year-old self time and time again. You're not going to miss 50 or 100 bucks out of your paycheck, so put that into a retirement account and leave it alone. And when you retire, you're going to thank yourself over and over. So those are my top 3 ways to get ahead financially. Number 1 is pay off the debt. Number 2 is build a nest egg. And number 3, invest in your retirement in your future.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.